Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I've shared different beautiful and gorgeous foot nail art designs, amazing pedicure, amazing ideas are shared in today's video. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Hope so you will like and enjoy my today's video. Today's video is related to nail art designs for foot. So friends, if you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. I have shared a lots of ideas related to nail art designs for back-to-back videos. You can check them in my playlist that I have shared a lots of beautiful nail art designs, and the playlist is shared with the name of nail art designs. And watch my other ideas that I've shared related to girls fashion, different seasonal fashion like summer, autumn, winter, and street style fashion, and different countries street style fashion like London street style fashion, Italian, Spanish, Germany, and also I have shared England, and lots of beautiful ideas of Scotland. Hope so you will like and enjoy those ideas. And friends, I have shared amazing ideas, different ages women's like over 30, over 40, over 50, and over 60 women's fashion. Beautiful plus size women's outfit ideas are also shared. Different type of outfits like coats, long coats, trench coats, and winter and casual daily wear. And also I have shared occasional dresses, evening dresses, party dresses. So friends, don't forget to watch those ideas. Hope so you will like and enjoy those ideas and also my today's video. So friends, if you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. So friends, today's video is related to nail art designs, and I've shared beautiful foot nail art designs. Hope so you enjoyed and like these ideas. If you have any kind of idea, type your idea in comment section. And I have shared a lots of beautiful different hairstyles and hairdos and a lots of different footwear. I have shared different sandals, different shoes, court shoes. Don't forget to watch those ideas. Today's video was related to foot nail art designs. Hope so you enjoyed. Now let me say to take care. Bye bye.